So I'm just gonna give y'all some details about the hair before we get started. Like I said, it is a 12-inch bob. I did not bleach my knots. I did go in with a pressed powder for my skin tone, so when you guys see the lace, know that the knots are not dyed. I'm gonna have all the descriptions of this wig in my video and as well as in my description box, so you guys can check them out. And yeah, let's just get started. I have not glued down my hair, which is why it looks like this.
Oh, he needs some milk.
This has been pre-styled, by the way. I've worn this wig before, but it's time for me to fix it, because as you can tell, she needs some fixing.
No, my bad, I'm sorry.
So the lace constructed throughout this wig is not full brown. You can glue it down. You can glue this unit down with Got2b gel spray, bowl hole, ghost bond, whatever. However, I chose not to, just because the tracks start right here. They start right here. So you have about this much lace space. So to me, it didn't make sense for me to glue the whole unit down when the whole unit couldn't be like put up in a ponytail or anything like that, because like I said, the tracks do start right here. So all the lace that you're gonna see right here is pretty much it. So this is the mousse that I'm gonna be using. I find that using mousse helps the hair lay better before you go in with your gel or whatever you choose to use. I don't like to use the mousse to set my baby hairs, just because I feel like it's not as secure as I'd like them, but to each his own. And I need to cut my lace. Okay guys, so I finished styling my hair and this is just what it looks like. I ended up cutting some of the lace right here just because I don't like having too much lace when there's no hair there, just because sometimes it's harder to blend, and then too, when you take pictures, selfies, like lace, we don't want that. So yeah, this is the finished look of my hair. Once again, this hair is from Allovehair. I'll go ahead and show you guys what was inside of the box in case you are interested. There was the bag that the wig came in. They always give you like little gifts, so like eyelashes like this. I also got a hair tie, and then it came with a hairnet. However, I never use these to put my wigs on because I don't know how. But maybe one day we'll try this out. And on the back of the box, it does show you like little steps of, you know, wig care, what you should do if you have this type of hair. However, since my hair is much shorter, we didn't have to do all of that. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also leave Allovehair on my screen as well as my description box. Make sure you guys check out their Instagram.